Yo, what's going on, guys? So, my pre-order for the Galaxy Fold 4 came in today, quicker than I expected. As you can see, I got a little overzealous, and I went straight ahead to open the box, but I decided to do a little quick unboxing of what I got, including my pre-order gifts that I chose. So, pre-orders are still going up until this Thursday night, and if you take advantage of that, you get some pre-order gifts like the standing cover, as well as some credit to put towards like the Watch 5 and the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. So like, I would definitely take advantage of that. But now onto the phone. As you can see, they shipped everything together. Here's the Buds 2 Pro, the standing cover with pen, and onto the main attraction. I'll do a separate videos on these two sometime in the near future, so make sure you subscribe to check it out. Got my little snake eye tactical blade here. Ooh, god damn. That's a beautiful ass phone right there. Let me set this to the side first. Let me see what we get inside here. So first off, you get a quick start guide, SIM ejections tool, and a USB-C to USB-C cable. Now to the main attraction. Yeah, this is a nice color. I can really feel how premium it is in the hand. I can already tell you that holding it in the store versus holding it in your hand when you have it in your house, knowing that you have it, it's two different things. Let me go ahead and peel this off. Ooh. Yeah, that's a beautiful phone right there. So I'm just going to take a quick look around the device. On top you got your microphones, as well as dual speakers on the bottom and the top. On the bottom you got your USB-C port, as well as another microphone. On the left hand side you got your antenna lines and your SIM tray. On the right side you got your volume rocker and your power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. And I believe this is the 5G antenna. And on the back you got your new cameras for this year, which is the same as the S22 Plus. And this has the same matte finish as a S22 lineup. Feels super nice in the hand. So now I'm going to do the first fold. Damn. This is a nice phone right here. They did make this phone shorter, thinner, and lighter than the Galaxy Fold 3. And on the front, you have a 6.2-inch display. And on the inside, you have a big 7.6-inch display. I believe they upgraded the glass on the front and the back to Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which is more durable and scratch resistant, along with armor aluminum frame. And I believe Samsung is the only phone maker on the market that have foldables that are IPX8, dust and water resistant. But that's only fresh water, so I wouldn't take it to the beach and try to swim with it. As I said before, the cameras are the same as the S22 Plus with a 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 10 megapixel 3x optical zoom. Unfortunately, as I tested in the store, the under display camera is still somewhat below average, but you know, you get what you get. So now I'm going to power it on. I do somewhat notice that the screen is just a tad bit wider than the Fold 3. I don't know if you could tell, but they did refine the hinge and it protrudes way less than it did on the previous Fold devices. But one thing I did wish they improve on was a gap in the hinge, so dust and debris will still be able to get in between the phone. And also, they did increase the width of the phone, but personally, I wish they would have made it even more wider than it is. Because I don't know if you can tell, I do have big fingers, and typing on this phone would be a challenge. But I'll see how it goes in the upcoming days, and I will let you know in the full review. So I went ahead and finished setting the phone up, and I gotta say, I'm gonna keep repeating myself. This phone feels super premium in the hands. As I said before, this is a power button, and it doubles up as a fingerprint scanner, and it registers super fast. I also register my face. And you can see how quick that is. One thing I was excited for was a new dock system that they had on the bottom here. So essentially you could add any apps to the bottom here. And say if I go to the messaging app, it'll minimize here and it'll give you like a PC dock experience. So you could be able to quickly switch between apps. As I said before, there's the under display camera. You could kind of see it right now on the black background. But say if I go to like to Chrome or messages, you can see it's barely visible. Now let me go ahead and take a picture. On the viewfinder, you can still see is that it's kind of pixelated still, but they do some software magic, and honestly, the picture's not that bad. Honestly, we try another one. Yeah, after it processes, you know, it's not that bad. It comes out way better than when it looks on the viewfinder. But yeah, that was just a quick little unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Oh, it uses the same facial recognition from the front on the inside as well. That's cool. Yeah, so that's a quick little unboxing of the Z Fold 4. I'll do some tests, you know, and come back in about a week or so to give you guys my full review. But until next time, have a good one.